Bonani nota R. Izolo-ke ngibuza umngani ukuthi what would I say to someone who's going through something? And then I suddenly got excited because I remembered this thing. Bengilokhu ngithi ngizonitshela yona during the week, but I forgot. Ekhaya eMandeni kunomhosha ngaphesheya kwasekhaya. And kulowo mhosha lo kwakukhula umhlanga. Yabo umhlanga lo ubanjwa iy'ntombi mangabe ziya le lo mhlanga lona kwakuthi mangabe kuney'khukhula uvele uwe phansi uthi cha baba uhambeni uhlale lapha ekuhamba khona amanzi la odudulwa khona amanzi uhlala uthi thwi wena ungaze uyitshela ukuthi kuphelile ngalomhlanga lo kufike isiphepho sophephula umhlanga to the opposite direction umhlanga ulale phansi uthi thwi into kodwa engiyithandayo ngalomhlanga ukuthi awuyishiyi position yawo nkosana uzinzile impande zithe down to the earth down to the ground kuyothi mangabe kuphela lezi iphepho lezi bese sekuphuma ilanga sekuthulekile sekuthe cwaka bese umhlanga uvela ubuye usukume uma sengathi awukaze uzwe phansi. Inkinga yethu thina ukuthi asifuni uku-allow if ugowa ngena khona emgoweni ukhale uzihuqe nge-ash and tear up your clothes and do whatever going ethi njengamanje siyayenza. Allow yourself to feel the pain. Uyibize ngegama uthi I'm sad or I'm lonely or I'm hurt or I'm disappointed or I have betrayed myself. Ibize ngegama and own it, own the hurt. Accept ukuthi ukwenzekile lokho kwenzakalile because there is no going back, and the first step of healing is to accept ukuthi yes bangenzile. Ebese ke manje sewuyibuza umbuzo ukuthi yini esingayenza ke. Sesibonile ukuthi sila, samngenile ukuthi sila, yini esingayenza ke manje ukuthi sisuke la. Ingqondo yakhe yobe sihamba ke sihambe ibheke ukuthi yini esingayenza, and it will be such a beautiful journey of healing. Lento lena ifane yabo mangabe lithi iBhayibheli umelana abantwana bezeke ngoba umbuso wezulu ungowabanjalo. Yenze njani ingane kade uyishaya manje? Igijima ize kuwe because iyazi ukuthi bottom line there's a mother. Mangabe silambile ngisho kuthiwa kade uyishaya abaleka yayale, mayisilambile izoza kuwena izothi ngifuna ukudla. If there's something funny ingane with tears in their eyes, they laugh because they don't hold on to moments and emotions. They fully immerse themselves in their emotions and feelings and hurts, and then they let them go. If another brand new moment comes to pass, ingane is present and is going to experience that moment outside of the previous moment. So nathi we need to practice umqondo kanjalo ofana nowengane wokuthi mase idlulile lo mzuzu lo phuma phela kuwona manje ube umuntu omusha and be present in this particular moment. Vele ube isidalo esisha. Phuza amanzi, hamba ejimini. Ayikho indawo eyi-stress reliever njenge-gym. And also remember ukuthi whatever you're going through, there's life after it.